Story of the day, the incredible shoplifting, crisp-munching seagull from Aberdeen. Stephen Duff reports.
With all the cunning and guile you can imagine, the Birdman of Aberdeen's pilfered more than 20 bags in the last few weeks. Always tangy cheese Doritos.
It's only Doritos. It's normally the cheese one that's stuck right next to the window. I think it's just the orange packet. It seems like the colour just goes for it, and every day it's the same packet.
Do you think it's the same one, or is it a gang maybe?
I think it's the same one. I seem to recognise it every time. It gives you the look every time when it's coming in.
Time to confront.
Excuse me, do you have anything to say? You're now being exposed for your life of crime. Do you have anything to say?
Stephen Duff reporting Scotland, Aberdeen.
Well, that takes the biscuit, or the crisps at least. Now, Scotland's...
Strangeland.com